In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the OneDrive error code that is, can't open this file, make sure OneDrive is running on your PC when opening screen. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
First things first, let's navigate to the OneDrive app on your computer. For those unfamiliar, OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage service, which allows you to store your files and access them from anywhere. The app should already be installed if you're using a Windows PC, as it comes bundled with the operating system. You can find it by clicking on the cloud icon in your system tray, or by searching for OneDrive in your start menu. Once you have it open, you'll see all your files that are synced with the cloud. Next, you'll want to select the problematic file that's showing the error. Browse through your OneDrive folder within the app and locate the file you're struggling to open. Simply click on the file once to select it. This step is crucial as it sets the context for the actions we'll take afterwards. Now, with your file selected, perform a right click on it. Right-clicking is a straightforward way to bring up a context menu offering various options for the file. If you're using a laptop trackpad, this is usually done by tapping with 2 fingers or by pressing the lower right corner depending on your settings. A menu will appear that contains all the actions you can perform on this file. The next step is to select the option Always Keep on this device. You'll find this in the context menu that appeared when you right-clicked. Choosing this option ensures that the file is available for offline use, meaning it will be downloaded and stored directly onto your computer instead of just existing in the cloud. This is particularly helpful if you experience connectivity issues or need constant access without being reliant on an internet connection. After selecting Always Keep on this device, give it a moment. This will download the file to your local storage and the error should no longer appear when opening the file. What this does is anchor the file on your device, bypassing the need for OneDrive to fetch it from the cloud each time you access it. And there you have it, a quick and easy fix for that pesky OneDrive error. I hope this tutorial helps you manage your files more efficiently and gives you peace of mind knowing your important files are always within reach. Remember, the solution we discussed today can be applied to any file showing the same issue. Feel free to consult this guide anytime you encounter a similar problem, and you'll have it solved in no time.